distinguished gentleman's ride today. Never seen so many vintage-looking people. There's so many, I think, so 300 bikes here, and it's just to raise awareness for men's mental health and prostate cancer. We set off in a few minutes, so I'm just going to get some quick video of sort of the start of the event, and I'll probably try and record some of the ride, but I think we set off in about 10 or 15 minutes, so I've got to pack everything up because I'm not carrying my normal bags. I'm travelling really light, one tiny bag. I'll just walk down here, try and get you an idea. Just seen somebody who was a spitting image of a friend of mine. That was surprising. Squeeze through here, just to give you an idea of what's behind me. How many bikes there are. I thought it was going to rain, but it isn't. So, I'm going to head back to my bike and not get in the way of these people with cameras, because you know how annoying that is. And get ready to set off. See how the built-in audio on the hospital works as well, Pocket 3. It's a cunning little camera. Anyway, 15-mile ride, then back for some refreshments at the end. Let's go. See you all in a bit.
Speed to the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. Chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pulls dust from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, every shot from the top. We're gonna
we've made the end. And I've just finished having a nice pizza. There's a wood-fired pizza place over there. And it makes the most amazing pizzas in 10 minutes. But I digress. It was quite an experience. I'm hoping that we've raised a fair bit of cash for men's mental health problems. Just trying to get this camera adjusted. I think it's millions. It's done worldwide. This. It happens simultaneously in countries all over the world. Some of the highlights is some of the blokes had these fantastic beards, and they also brought their traditional wood smoking pipes, which they a couple of them had on. It was hilarious to look at, but it's just like the spirit of the thing. There's the pizza place. The whole spirit of what's going on is just amazing today. So I'm just going to walk you around here so you can have a sort of a look at all the different bikes that they've got. And then we'll wrap up. So I'm nearly out of fuel and I've got to head back home.
When did you go in?
There's another bike park over here. So I'm going to squeeze through here. Walk through the middle of this. Hang on. Take some rough foliage. Probably just the easiest for me to walk through all this, so you can see it. Oh, I'm going to get some films as I come back down the other way. You can sort of see what's going on down as I'm walking past all the bikes. How cool is that? There's tons of them. Anyway, I'm going to go and take some photographs before I go. So I'm going to wrap up. See you all later, folks. Bye.